Taking a look at that exploration from the end of the lecture video, we break this down into 5 parts, and we're going to add this together. I noticed that 0.2 is 2 over 10 squared, gives us 4 over 100. So I was graphing using that understanding. Now, let's see. If we had this first example here, we are using really the height of the leftmost point. So our interval, we've got 5 intervals. We're using the left side of that interval to determine the height of the rectangle. Okay. And then we're going to add those together. So I see I have 0.2 times all of these things. So I'm just going to factor that out. And now I'm going to add those numbers together. That's a 0. So the height of the first rectangle is 0, plus 4 over 100, plus 16 over 100. So that's 1, 2, 3. And we have 36 over 100. Looks like I need a little more space here. And then at the end, we're going to have 64 over 100. Okay. 0.2 times all of this, I've got 20, that's 56. 56 plus 64. 56 plus 4 is 60, and 60, so 120 over 100. Okay. And then we times by 2 over 10. 120 over 100. Okay. And this gives us 240 over 1,000. I'm going to take out one of these zeros here, so we get 24 over 100, which is the same thing as 0.24. So notice that if I have 1 way up here, that would be 1 whole. And so we're much less than that. We're actually just under a quarter of that. Now, if we were to take not that side, but a different side, can I change my color here? Let's do a ballpoint pen. Okay. I'm now going to, I don't know if that changed any color. Let me just use a highlighter, to be honest. Now I'm going to, that might not be viewable. Okay, we're going to come back here. We're going to hold on to this. Tip sharpness, sensitivity, pen settings, pen draw and hold, no. Math assist, writing aids. Can I just get colors? Advanced settings. Okay. I don't need, oh, it's over here. Look at that, blue. Okay. If we're using the other side, now I have 5 rectangles. Oops. That have area. And so again, we're going to do 0.2 times the area of each of these. So the first one, we use the right-hand side. So that's 0.2 squared. That's 4 over 100 plus 16 over 100 plus 36 over 100 plus 64 over 100 plus 100 over 100, or 1 whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we add all that up. We get 20, 56, 120, 220 over 100. And we times that by 0.2, which is 2 over 10 times 220 over 100. We could simplify a little bit, cut out some of that 0. And now we've got 44 over 100, which is the same thing as 0.44, or 44%. So that's pretty cool. There is a difference between these two. If I were going to estimate that the actual curve, I might add these two together and divide by 2. And so if I were to do that, 0.44 plus 0.24 divided by 2, it's going to give us 0.68 over 2, or 0.34. So it's not exact, it's an estimate, and we'll discover that these have a name. They're called Riemann sums, and it's a pretty good little exploration there. Kind of fun. So